on, mate.
This is a high-risk, confined space rescue course. I am not on the course, I'm instructing it. The ladies and gents on this course work at a power station and they need to be prepared to get people out of potentially dangerous situations within a confined space. So we are going to be carrying out live exercises with live casualties, and their injuries could range from anything from a banged head all the way up to a stroke or a heart attack or even an amputation. They need to be able to deal with these situations within this confined space, and sometimes they will also require breathing apparatus, and this is all building up to the big rescue. In this scenario we allow for no mistakes, so they have to get it right in order to pass this course. And this is called the rig. Are you ready, gents?
Yeah, all set, mate.
Gents, going to set your alarms off. The rescue team have been called. Sit tight, boys, sit tight. Got an alarm going off inside. I've got 2 guys in there. As far as I'm aware, they've had their rescue sets on now for 5 minutes, right, but they're struggling to find their way out. They've had their rescue sets on for now for 8 minutes. How long have they got on them left? 7. Can you get them out in that time?
Make your way out. Just make your way.
So this is day 3. Day 1 and 2 is sort of building up to real exercises. And that first exercise was as simple as it gets. Simply extract 2 people from an environment where there's an alarm going off. We pulled it because it wasn't good enough. So let's try again. Take 2.
So you're right down the top and bottom. Alright.
That was better, but it's only going to get harder. This is going to be dramatic. Hello, hello, hello. I've got screaming going on in there.
Yep, what's going on?
Can't get the comms through.
Right, okay.
I'll leave that there while you ask me some more questions.
What were they doing when it happened?
They're using big, heavy machinery.
Big heavy machinery, so
Yeah.
it could be cuts or...
Could be, yeah.
Right, okay. Are they allergic to anything?
Not that I know of.
Right, have they been on any medication?
Not that I know of.
Right, okay, make them stand.
Yeah.
And they're not very happy, so you might want to start allocating people. Take control.
One bottom, one top. Radio check, say something. Call back. Yeah, can we have 2 more then, please? Kurt, what time is it? Bottom, top.
Come on, mate. Sit down there. Calm down, you're alright.
Radio checks. Guys, radio checks.
Yeah. Come on, mate. Ambulance call. You'll come with me, pal. Get him out, mate. Come on, you'll come out here with me. He's in a bit of shock, mate.
Are you on the way back with that hand yet?
Yeah. Brilliant.
Yeah, just going on.
This course is tailored to the environments that these guys work in. So in this scenario, we are going to be dealing with sulfuric acid, which is used as a cleaning product, but in a confined space can be extremely dangerous. But we're not going to tell them that they're going to need full BA for this one and see if they pick it up. I've got Joey and Chris in there.
Joey and Chris, have you got radio contact?
No, I've lost it now.
No radio contact, okay. Ventilation, please.
Broken.
Ventilation's broken.
Ventilation's broken. I know they've been probably cleaning with sulfuric acid.
I don't fancy sending men in there. What time did you lose contact with them?
Prior to me calling you.
A couple of minutes. No ventilation.
Broken.
No, I don't want to send anyone in there. We'll have to put his BA and come back.
Go on then.
Yeah.
Three unconscious casualties in a smoke-filled environment. Let's see how they do. I've got 3 guys in there, I've lost contact and I've got smoke pouring out.
3 guys, no contact. We've got smoke pouring out. You 2 in round top and I'll have you 2 in round bottom. Yeah. Right. You and Vegan round top. Hayden and Vegan are going in. And you go, just check in there for me.
The rig has 2 floors of tunnels. On the top floor, we have several obstructions. We have conduits here, and it's been built inside to simulate an industrial kind of setting. So we have pipe work here. We have electrical isolation points, small entrances, and these tunnels, they weave, which makes manoeuvring difficult when you have a lot of gear on or you're trying to rescue someone in an emergency situation. Now the ground floor route gets a bit tougher. As we go around this one, we have a round tunnel to go through. This one's nice and easy. And then we end up in the chamber, where up here, we have a manhole entrance. The next part of the course gets a bit tighter. We have a half tunnel now, which you literally have to go on your side and try and pull yourself through. The next stage is a narrow passageway. And then we're on the final run to what is called Gate 3 and another chamber where we have another manhole and a great big ladder to climb up. We also teach Scaffold Rescue, where they could be required to assist someone who has simply twisted an ankle, or maybe a workman has slipped a disc, which will require a more involved operation.
We don't rescue this one. I don't know to yet, mate. Is there anybody around that we can talk to other than...
Just a passerby, mate, I've just seen it kicking off.
Wake up, John! Sorry, wake up!
1 minute, mate, run away.
Can we get hold of the control room? No, you ain't coming up here. Guys,
No,
no,
listen,
no, come up.
I need to get up there to get you down. I'm your
No, you ain't coming up.
Back
Come
now.
on. No, you can't.
I'll get through there.
Can we get attention in the control room?
Get the big lad up. Here we go. Right, ready?
What's going on? You're deaf. Right, this guy's not speaking. Explosion. Can't hear. How many's in there? How many? How many? 4 men in there. Hey, up. 3 down. Who's got up? Ready?
First aid on side, get out of the way.
I'm bulletproof, nothing to lose. Far away, ricochet. You take your aim. Far away, shoot me down. I am coming down, but it's you who have further to fall.
I used to be part of a rescue team, and I've been a part-time rescue instructor for quite a few years now. There is a whole world of tradesmen and workmen working in dangerous environments. Most of these people you won't hear or know about. All these people are incredible and deserve some recognition. A big well done to all the people on this course this week. See you next week. Subscribe to my channel.
I'm bulletproof, nothing to lose.